This is Robert from Intrinsic Dev. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install our WiiM Driver for nice home management using Configurator version 2. This driver allows a nice system, formerly Elan, to communicate with WiiM Players via IP to provide audio zone functionality. Please note that streaming content navigation is not supported by the WiiM API. However, the download contains two eDRVC driver files, a basic control version and then another which provides a more advanced interface, allowing for TuneIn searching and browsing, BBC radio browsing, and to access your WiiM presets, as well as the transport features that the basic version provides. I'm going to walk you through installing the driver into your nice system and then give a quick showcase of it in action. But first I'll run through purchasing and downloading via our website. We offer a 14-day free trial for our drivers, so if you would like to test first, you can click download here straight away. Once this time period has elapsed or you just wish to go ahead and purchase, click buy license key here. Please complete this form. Make sure to include your nice processor's MAC address here. For sure of your Mac, you can view it in Nice Management Cloud. Select the system, copy it from here. The input field in our form will automatically add in the colon separators and paste it in. Just make sure it is correct. Once the form and payment is complete, click download. This will take you to Dropbox. Download and extract the zip folders. The folder contains an integration note document covering the setup process in more detail and the two driver files themselves. Let's head to Nice Management Cloud and launch Configurator version 2. Navigate to the Media tab. Select Zone Controllers. Then you can either right-click, Add New Zone Controller, or click down here, plus Zone Controller. Import. Find the folder you just downloaded. Let's start with the basic WiiM control driver. Open. Select it, and then click Install. Once installed, the driver will load a source for the internal WiiM media player. Switch from the Media tab and back, and you'll see the source has been added here. Select the zone controller and add the device IP address. You click Apply. And that's it. We can now launch the viewer. Head back to Management Cloud, Viewer. In the UI, select Media. If a song was currently playing, we could view that here along with album artwork and the song name, band name, album name. And skip forward, back, play, pause, stop, control the volume, and toggle mute. Now, if you would additionally like TuneIn, radio, and to access your WiiM presets, we will need to add the additional eDRVC file to the system. Let's head back to Configurator v2. Click Sources. Again, either right-click or select from below. We want Add Generic Media Source. Import. So I'm going to select the other file, which is the WiiM interface.edrvc. Select it, open, select it here, and click Install. So again, just to update, switch from the Media tab and back, and you'll see here is our new source. Again, we need to add the IP address, and click Apply. To enable this new source, or to toggle between the two, expand the WiiM zone controller, and under Media Inputs, select the network player. So we're going to switch the source device from the initial interface.env to our new Intrinsic Dev WiiM interface, and click Apply. Head back to the viewer. Media. See, we now have TuneIn, BBC Radio, our WiiM presets. Launch that. Full TuneIn browsing, local radio, podcasts, BBC radio, and to search TuneIn, and that's it. Thanks for watching.